If you don't want to suffer a heart attack, it's best to take care of yours well until then. Come with me and come on, I'll show you the 6 best foods for your heart. First on our heart-healthy hit list are berries. These tasty treats, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. They're like little heart protectors in a bowl. Here's a fun fact. Studies have shown that regularly eating berries can reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Rumor has it, berries might even have anti-aging properties. They contain anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants that protect your heart by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Plus, they're low in calories, making them a perfect snack any time of the day. Cooking tip: try making a berry smoothie bowl for breakfast or a refreshing berry salad. You can also add them to your yogurt or sprinkle them on top of your oatmeal for an antioxidant boost. Comment below with your favorite berry recipe. We'd love to try it out. Next up, we're diving into the deep blue with fatty fish. Think salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna. These fish are swimming in omega-3 fatty acids, which are your heart's best friend. They help lower triglycerides, keep your heartbeat steady, and prevent artery clogging plaque. People who eat fatty fish regularly might have a secret superpower against heart disease. Omega-3s for the win. Fun fact, did you know that people in Japan, where fish consumption is high, have some of the lowest rates of heart disease in the world? This is often attributed to their omega-3 rich diet. Cooking tip: grill some salmon with a squeeze of lemon and a sprinkle of herbs. Sardines can be a great addition to salads or served on whole grain toast for a quick, nutritious meal. Leafy greens are also high in nitrates, which help improve arterial function and reduce blood pressure. They're an excellent source of dietary fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels and promotes overall heart health. Fun fact: just 1 cup of cooked spinach provides almost 5 times your daily requirement of vitamin K. Cooking tip: add spinach to your morning smoothie, or make a kale salad with a zesty lemon dressing. You can also sauté Swiss chard with garlic and olive oil for a quick and nutritious side dish. Subscribe and like the video if you want to have a healthy heart. Nuts about nuts. So are we. Almonds, walnuts, pistachios, they're tiny but mighty, packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. These little guys can lower bad cholesterol and keep inflammation at bay. A handful a day keeps the heart doctor away. Nuts are also a great source of magnesium, which helps regulate heartbeat and supports overall cardiovascular health. Fun fact: walnuts are one of the best sources of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that benefits heart health. Snack idea: mix a handful of nuts with some dried fruit for a tasty and nutritious trail mix. You can also add chopped nuts to your salads, yogurt, or oatmeal for a crunchy, nutrient-dense boost. Whole grains are a whole lotta good for your heart. Think brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole grain bread. They're loaded with fiber, which helps lower cholesterol and keeps your heart healthy. Ditch refined grains and embrace these heart-boosting options. Whole grains are also rich in B vitamins, which play a key role in heart health by helping to regulate homocysteine levels. High levels of homocysteine are linked to an increased risk of heart disease. Rumor has it, switching to whole grains might be the simplest life hack for a healthier heart. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh fruit, or use quinoa as a base for a hearty salad. Whole grain bread makes a perfect base for avocado toast or your favorite sandwich. What's your go-to whole grain? Let us know in the comments. Last, but definitely not least, avocados. These creamy delights are packed with healthy monounsaturated fats that lower bad cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Plus, they're rich in potassium, which helps control blood pressure. Avocados also contain fiber and antioxidants that contribute to overall heart health. Fun fact: 1 avocado contains more potassium than a banana, making it an excellent choice for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Cooking tip: spread avocados on whole grain toast, blend them into smoothies, or make some killer guac for your next party. Try adding avocado slices to your salads or sandwiches for a creamy texture and a nutrient boost. Please subscribe in our channel if you'd like to have more tips about health. And that's a wrap on the top 6 foods for a heart that's strong and happy. Incorporate these into your diet, and you're on your way to better heart health. Remember, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle are key. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Take care of your heart, take care of yourself, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, everyone.